Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys. Ang 1/2 francs ng Switzerland. At mayroong taon na 1968. I-share ko sa inyo guys ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys, dahil napakaganda naman talaga na malaman natin ang bawat coins na ating hinahawakan. The 1968 1/2 francs or 1/2 FR coin from Switzerland is part of the Swiss franc currency system. Here's a historical breakdown of the coin or general information. Country: Switzerland. Denomination: 1/2 francs. Year: 1968. Composition: copper nickel. Weight: 2.2 grams. Diameter: 18.2 mm. Age: mild. Mint: Swiss mint or verne. Historical context: Swiss franc system. The Swiss franc CHF has been the official currency of Switzerland and Liechtenstein since 1850. The 1/2 francs coins has been in circulation since 1950 with the various composition over the years. Material changed in 1968. Before 1968, Swiss 1/2 francs coins were made of silver 0.835 fineness. However, due to the rising silver prices, Switzerland switched to copper nickel for all 1/2, 1 and 2 francs coins starting in 1968. This was a significant shift in Swiss numismatics as it marked the end of silver circulation coin. Over's design features the Helvetia Vast, a personification of Switzerland. She is wearing a tiara and looking to the right, with Confederatio Helvetica, Latin for Swiss Confederations, inscribed around the top. The engraver was Karl Schwinner or Karl Schwinzer. Reverse design displays the denomination 1/2 francs or 1/2 FR with the year 1968 below, surrounded by the wreath of oak and alpine flowers. Circulation and collectability: since it was the first of the copper nickel version, the 1968 1/2 francs is historically significant for collectors. It remains in circulation today, and its value is generally based on face value unless in uncirculated condition or proof. Auction record of these coins for the 1968 1/2 francs coins indicate that its value varies based on its conditions and grading. Notable auction results include PCGS MS68 grade in October 2020. A 1968 V 1/2 francs coins graded MS68 by PCGS sold for $80 US. PCGS MS65 grade in February 2019. A 1968 V 1/2 francs coin graded MS65 by PCGS was auctioned by Great Collections. This example highlight that higher grade coins such as those graded MS68 tend to achieve higher prices at the auction. The value of a 1968 1/2 francs coin is significantly influenced by its condition with uncirculated and professionally graded specimens, attracting greater interest from collectors. So yun guys, ang napakagandang mga impormasyon tungkol dito sa ating barya guys ng Switzerland. Ang 1/2 France, mayroong taon na 1968. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.